Hi, it's Tomas, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to get started with next.js. If you are watching this video, I'm assuming that you are somewhat familiar with the command line node and npm or yarn and react.js. If not, some of the content here may sound unfamiliar to you, and I strongly recommend that you review the above topics before diving deeper in next.js. Actually, setting up Next.js is relatively simple, as the team behind the framework developed a starter kit called Create Next App. And this starter kit provides you with all the necessary config and tooling to get up and running with Next.js in no time. Let's see how it's done. I am currently using Visual Studio Code on Windows and Git Bash as my terminal integrated with Visual Studio Code. Let's type npx create next app and hit enter. So what is our cool project name? Let's make it my awesome next app. So as you can see, npx is going to install React, React DOM, and these packages. And these packages actually will provide all the necessary dependencies and all the necessary tools that we'll use during the next.js application development. So it's going to take some time. Well, it's already done. So let's see what we have here. cd to the newly created my awesome next app directory. And now we can expand the project folder. We can see the component nav.js that was created automatically by the framework, and under pages we have the index.js. That's the entry point for our application. So let's start our development server npm run dev. That's what we typed, and the server is going to start up in a second. Once the development server is up and running, we can visit localhost on port 3000 for the default application created by the script. We have some basic navigation pointing to Zeit. This is the company behind Next.js and their GitHub repository. To demonstrate that the installation works, I'm going to create a test page. It's going to be a simple functional component. So under pages, create test page.jsx and create an h1. Hello, I am a test page. Additionally, we are going to import the navigation bar from components nav.js and place it right above our h1. Now let's test the application, just manually adding the test page route. Yes, it's there, it's working. We can see the h1. Now in nav.js I'm going to add a route to test page so that it appears in the top navigation bar right next to home. So just copy that. I'm modifying the href pointing to test page, testing it, reloading, and we can see that we've got a new route. Clicking it, it's working perfectly beautiful. So that was the new shiny way of installing a Next application using npx and create next app. Now I'm going to show you the old method. It's a little bit more cumbersome, requires a little bit more typing, but it still works in case you need to use that. Here's a reference to this. We'll go ahead and create a new directory called my next app, and then cd to the newly created directory. Then type npm init -y to initialize our project, and then we run npm install --save react dom react and next. Once the installation is done, we'll modify our package.json that can be found under our project directory. Locate the script section, replace test with dev, and the executable is going to be next. Excellent. Now let's start up our development server npm run dev, see what happens, and we get a nice error message. So what's going on? We need to create a pages directory from the root. This is something that we got for free by the other script installation. Let's create index.js. This is going to be the entry point for our application. Functional component, and let's display something with an age 1. Hello next. And then try to start our development server again, npm run dev. Let's see if it works. Seems to be compiling okay, and yes, it does work. We can see hello next. So all these installation steps and other instructions can be found on next.js's GitHub page. This is the URL. I'm going to put it down in the description as well. So come and visit this page, look at npx create next app. This is the easy method. We've seen that, and the manual setup, I've also shown that to you. Plus there's a ton of information here, so feel free to go through these. I wish you good luck with your next.js project, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and follow my channel for additional upcoming React.js and Next.js related videos. Thanks a lot, cheers!